I liked the ride until here, but now I'm really bored.
There is a slight change in plane. Oh, looks like a water crossing in Mapsa. Oh, shit. Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So we are going for a Sunday ride today. I went for Mars in the morning, and like the time right now is 10:53, almost 11. So I'm riding with my cousin. So he is on the standard 350. So we were quite bored at home because there is nothing to do also. And since it was my off today, we decided that we'll go for a Sunday ride. We are going to Valpoi side, but before that we have one work, that is we have to take a pollution certificate for his bike. The heat is also way too much, so I did not even wear my riding jacket today because it's very hot today. On the bike it's showing 36 degrees. I don't think it's 36, but it is close to 31, 32. Also these sleeves are quite handy. It will save you from the tan also, and it is sufficient enough, like it's breathable too. Yeah, so we stopped here to get a pollution certificate. We already got it though. So now we are going to Valpoi. Yeah, although I think that I need to fuel up. Yeah, but besides that we don't have any stop. Like it's been quite a long time. You know, this fuel light of mine, EFI light, it just keeps on only. Like sometimes I guess when the bike's mood is good, it is off, but most of the time this thing is on only. So I don't know. I went to the showroom also, but they are also not able to rectify why it is. So we have like around 1 hour to reach Valpoi now from here. So we are not going fast also. We are just maintaining a speed of 70-80 because we have a lot of time. We don't have anything in the evening also. But if we reach early, we will go exploring one more place. But that will be another video. But we have a plan of exploring one place. So right now we are in Raya. I think they are selling fish here. Yeah. So that's all the rush for. Oh, they have tiger prawns. Also this Vesra brake pads that I installed are very good. Like even with one finger I can stop the bike. They're like so good, because earlier on those stock Royal Enfield ones I had to put a lot of pressure. So my rear disc pads are still good, but once they are worn out, I'll replace them with Vesra only. I wanted to do a off-road today, but we might, not sure like how the roads are in Valpoi, but I wanted to do pure off-roading today. Let's see how it goes. So this monsoon season also I'll be putting up some really good videos of catching fish, like putting a net, throwing cast nets and other fish traps also. So if you all have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. If you all liked the video of Bat Island, you all are surely going to like the videos of the monsoons, especially this year. The weather has changed now, it's become much cloudy, so it's good weather actually. I just hope it does not rain. I'll just ask him if he wants to fuel up. Because even I could fuel up. I have half a tank. पेट्रोल घाल पाहिजे का? Hoy. So his bike also has sufficient fuel. We'll fuel up maybe on the way to Valpoi if we get an Indian Oil petrol pump. As long as the sun is not there, like it's really good to ride. Yeah, so we just stopped here to check our route. So we have to take a right from here. So there is a petrol pump here also, but I have sufficient fuel. Or should I fuel up? I'm just thinking, because if we are going for off-road, then we might have a problem.
39.
Huh. Yeah, so both of us fueled up and we are ready to leave now. I just mounted this here because it was hurting my pocket. It's like really hot today. Yeah, so he went some other way. Yeah, so I'll just wait for him. I think we have 40-45 minutes more. So this is the place that we are going to. Yeah, so there is a slight change in plan. Earlier I said that we are going for a Sunday ride. So we are going for a Sunday ride. This is a Sunday ride. But we thought we'll have bath somewhere. So we went to this waterfall like quite some time back. So we thought that it is a good place. So we can visit it again also. So that's the reason we are going to the waterfall. Staying in one place is really like next to impossible. The heat is so much that I'm sweating inside. Yeah, so he's come. We'll just start. Yeah, and now we'll take a left here for Bondla and Bondla, Usgaon and Valpoi. So the waterfall that we are going to is also in Valpoi only. A bit far from Valpoi, I guess 10-15 minutes away from Valpoi. So from here we won't get much traffic also. But I can feel the heat right on my face. It's like coming, and I can feel the warm air on my face. That is not even see, but good that I was slow. So this side is Mollem. I guess this side is coming from Ponda. So we have to take this route. Oh, I forgot that I have to wait. So this route is going to Valpoi. Okay, these are the back. Oh shit, they are putting tarmac here. Last time I went through, a similar kind of a scenario, and that the stones from the tarmac are till date stuck on my tank. They don't go easily. I'll try it very slow. God knows how long this is now.
2,000 years later.
This side is extremely fresh. I guess this is what they have done just now. I think this is like since last night or maybe evening. So I'm even stuck on my pen now. I'll ride slow for some time because it becomes really difficult to remove this, and especially from the matte paint. So it's like, oh shit. I'll just ride this side. Okay, so from here it's fine. Yeah, so it's been like 10-15 minutes that I'm riding slow, but I still can't see Mefren on the rear mirror. I don't know how slow or if he has taken a wrong route. Mostly when I go like group rides or riding with anyone, I like riding mirror to mirror, so that at least on my mirror the other person is visible, or if he's in front I am visible on the other mirror. Or else like in this heat though, I get really like irritated to stay in front. So what I did is I already sent him the maps, so I'll just go in front, and if there's a place where I can stop, I'll stop and have something. We also need to carry water bottles because we have to trek for a bit to go to the waterfall. So I want a dew or something like that, or maybe even a fresh lime soda. I'm like really dehydrated. Also, I think in like another 1,000-2,000 kilometers I'll have to change my front tire also. These Apollo tires that I've been using are really good, even for off-road and all. They don't skid much as compared to the C8 tires. Again, if I'm changing, I'll either go for the race tires or just a minute, okay. Either go for the race tires or maybe I'll go for the Apollo tires itself. But I won't go to MRF and see this thing C8.
Yeah, so I reached Valpoi. I'm waiting for Mefren. He is not yet here. My bike is here and I'm having a fresh lime soda. I kept my helmet also over there. Yeah, so considering the heat, I thought that having a fresh lime soda is really a good option. So I'll just wait for him in the meantime. Let's see how long it takes for him to come.
The next day.
So I waited for almost an hour now. It's 12:48. I was here at 11:40 or something. So I'm really tired and I'm bored of waiting. The heat is also too much, so I think I'll slowly start riding. I already dropped him a message saying that I'm leaving. So I was actually waiting for him to have fresh lime soda, but I think that's going to take forever. I liked the ride until here, but now I'm really bored. So I'll just go over there and I'll wait for him in some shade or something like that. Okay then, so I'll get back on the bike.
Yeah, so I'm back on the bike now. I'll just stop here and I'll check for the location. I'll stop in front. Also, I'm getting a call. I think it's him only. Yeah, so I checked the route. I am on the correct route, so it's from this side only. But he's gone to some other routes. I don't know what could be the reason. We decided that we'll have something in Valpoi only because it's 1 o'clock now. So we'll have something in Valpoi and then directly leave. Because in this hot sun we won't have bath also. So I think it's a good decision that we'll have something and then we'll go to the waterfall. Yeah, but still we are come together, so I'll wait. This is why I prefer mirror to mirror riding, because otherwise it's really a headache waiting somewhere, then calling and then checking for the places here and there. So last time while going to Chola Ghats we had a thali over here, so it was a good place. So I think we'll have over there only. It was here some. Okay, I think it's that one.
Finally he's here. Yeah, so we stopped to have food. So this is where we stopped. But after almost 1 hour, our boy is here. We'll just ask him buy. So we ordered mackerel thali. This is mackerel, I guess this is chicken, this is some vegetable, this is curry, rice, pickle, salad and chapati. So we'll just quickly have this. Meaning we have a lot of time. We are not running short on time because we also have to have bath. So we'll try and have bath at around 3-4. By then the sun also will set. So it will be like a suitable condition for us. Yes. Yes. So we'll meet all after that.
Yeah. So the place we stopped for is Journey, a family restaurant. We were surprised with the bill. It's just 260. That too, we took 3 soft drinks, 1 water bottle, and 2 mackerel thalis. So we don't know how it's so cheap. Oh shit! The seat is too hot for me to even sit. Now it feels bit good, but we can feel the heat like right on our eyes. So it seems, I was just talking to him, it seems that Google took some other way and took him to the waterfall. He reached the waterfall and then he came back. So we were just talking to some of the natives over here. So what they are saying is that the waterfall would be dried up. We are not sure, but he said that it could be dried up. So he said instead you all can have bath in a river over here. But we'll still go and see, because we came for the waterfall only. So we'll go and see. If it's dried up, then we'll come over here and have bath. The moment we are on 40s, 50s, we can just like feel the heat. But anything above that is like bearable. It is not possible to stand even for 2 minutes over here. Oh, so I think Krishnapur is also this side only. But I saw a few reels that Krishnapur is closed, because someone fell into the water and he wanted to swim or something like that. Yeah, so we just stopped because we thought that we came to a wrong side, but the map says it's correct, because this road is leading to Krishnapur also, and Krishnapur is closed. See, now this EFI light is gone off. There's some problem with it. I don't know if the light is faulty or what. So this road also leads to Krishnapur. That's also a really good off-road, but I heard that it's closed. But if we have time, what we'll do is we'll just go up till the area where it's closed and then we'll come back. Also, I already have a video on Krishnapur. So if you all want to, you all can have a look at that video. Although it's not more of like a vlog, it's more of like a cinematic video. So here somewhere it's telling to take a left turn, and then it says it will lead to Sawande waterfall. It is actually SAWARDEM, because one sound day we have in Kurcharam also. No, Mukar Nare. So last time when we were coming, they were constructing this. I think there's a house in front somewhere, so maybe we can ask them. Yeah, so yeah, this is the one. If there's someone we could ask, but there's no one. So last time when we came to Samande waterfall, it was not this route, it was through some other way, meaning that was also a bit off-road, but not this one. So let's see up till where they allow us to go. Looks like this is someone's house that we have come to. I don't think this is the way, but still what I'll do is I'll just go in front and ask them for the route. So I think this is the way that he's saying, that it leads us to the waterfall. So we'll just park our bikes here, or maybe there in the shade. Yeah, so we decided that we'll go through the old way that we came from. Yeah, so we were just asking those people like if this is the way to Samande, but they are saying it's not, and they're also saying that it's dried up. I don't know how far that's true, but since we are come, we'll go through there and we'll have a look. I think I'd seen someone over here. I'll just go and ask. Yeah, so I just asked, but they're saying that the waterfall would have no water, and Krishnapur is also closed. Oh, so the footpath that is built is because of these people. Like I think that hot mix machine wouldn't have come here inside. Yeah, so as I was saying, that the previous house that we went to, they could not give us straight answers. I don't know what is the mentality here, but like we were just asking for information only, like if it is open or no. Like even at our place, people ask us, and especially like people who travel, like we should have that humanity thing inside us, that we tell at least properly. So they are like, how did you come inside our property and all that nonsense, as if we went and sat on their sofas inside. Bloody idiots. Okay, anyways, leave that. So we will be going to Samande waterfall through some other route. You know, I try and avoid all this silly arguments, but then some people irritate me a lot. Yeah, so looking at this board, I came to know that we are like come to some wrong way. So let's see, we'll go down. Like we'll go to the bridge first and then we'll check. So here's the off-road which he told us. Okay, so we'll go this side, we'll just check. Hopefully this is the one. I'm not sure if this is the one. Can't see anyone also, but let's see where this road takes us to. There are some bikes here, but no one to ask to. So we took a wrong turn and we are somewhere else. This is not the way that we came to, because last time we came by car. So even they are saying that the water will be fully dried up. We'll wait here, we'll have some water.
So we tried searching for the waterfall, but we couldn't. Actually, this is the same road. But then they are saying that it would be completely dried up. So then we are thinking of not going. Our bikes are here, and we have been riding now for almost 1 hour. 1 hour approx, and we went to the other side and we came here. So we are fully tired, actually exhausted. You can look, you can see how exhausted we are just looking at him. He's gone into power saving mode. So now what we thought is, we saw some reels on Insta. So it is saying that some mine something is there in Bicholim. So we'll be going over there because it's hardly 3 o'clock. So by the time we reach there, it will be 4. The sunlight also will be perfect for us to have bath. So we'll just have bath over there. We'll sit for some time and then we'll go back home. We also have to book our railway tickets. So we are going by train somewhere. The vlog will be up maybe by the end of the month. So we have to do that. Actually, we are a bit confused on where we should be going. So because of that, we have not yet revealed where we are going. So once that is done, I'll tell you all where we are going.
Yeah, so we stayed here for like 15-20 minutes. So now we are heading back. So we decided to go to that place where there's a mine and all is there. Stand. Yeah, so we are going to Nanoda. I guess yeah, it's Nanoda Bicholim. So it is showing 45 minutes from here. So the time right now is 3:30. So by the time we reach, it will be a good time for us to take a dip.
Yeah, so we just stopped for a break. Actually, our journey is just like 40-45 minutes. So I think we already covered around 15 minutes. So we stopped for a sugarcane break. So that's his bike and here's mine. So we'll just have this maybe for 5 minutes and then we'll be back on the bike. Yes, and we are leaving now. We felt refreshed after having sugarcane juice. So it is very important to stay hydrated when you are, especially out during the summers. Yes, so we are almost about to reach. So there is a water crossing, but yeah, not too deep.
Yeah, so I'm at the Mapsa service road, so I'm just waiting for my friend. I think he should come by now. So we might have something on our way back home. Let's see, because I'm feeling hungry. I'll ask him. Yeah, so he reached, and I'll also move now. Oh, looks like a water crossing in Mapsa. I'm just joking. It's just a pipe that broke.
Yeah, so since I was feeling really hungry, I stopped by Crumbs to have sandwiches, and this is my coffee, and this is orange pulpy. Yeah, so with that we are finally home. I had a lot of fun today, especially riding off-road and like on-road also. A few things up and down, but I think that's fine. But overall it was a very good experience. I had I jumped from almost 20 feet for the first time, so it was a good experience. The bike is become pretty dirty, so I'll wash that around I think tomorrow. So till then, see you all in the next video. Bye.